Hey everyone, I'm here to talk about something that we all dream about, financial freedom. Yes, that seemingly elusive state where your savings and investments earn you more money than you spend. Sounds amazing, right? Well, buckle up, because I'm about to give you some killer tips and tricks for achieving financial freedom in 2024. First off, let's talk budgeting. I know, it sounds basic, but hear me out. Creating a budget isn't just about tracking every penny you spend, it's about understanding where your money goes and then making informed decisions to help stretch those dollars further. Start by categorizing your expenses: essentials, luxuries, savings, and investments. Seeing it all laid out can really be a game changer. Next up, let's hit on investing. If you haven't started yet, 2024 is your year. Whether it's stocks, bonds, real estate, or even crypto, the key is to diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. And remember, it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Regular, disciplined investments can lead to exponential growth thanks to the magic of compound interest. Now, onto a tip that's often overlooked: automating your savings. Set up your bank account so that a portion of your income automatically goes into your savings or investment account each month. It's like paying your future self first. Trust me, it's a lot easier to save when you don't see the money in the first place. And here's a personal favorite: side hustles. Yes, your 9-to-5 job might pay the bills, but having an additional income stream can accelerate your journey to financial freedom. It could be anything from freelancing online, starting a blog, or even selling products. The digital economy is booming, and there are countless opportunities out there. Lastly, always educate yourself. The more you know, the better your decisions will be. Read books, watch tutorials, attend workshops. Knowledge is power. And in the world of finance, it's also wealth. So are you ready to take control of your finances? Use these tips to start your journey towards financial freedom in 2024. Remember, it's not going to be easy, but it's definitely going to be worth it. Let's make it happen. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay smart, stay motivated, and let's achieve those financial goals together.